Hello guys! Our today's menu is pig skin Kilawin. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's get started. Wash the pig skin thoroughly. And boil the pig skin for 45 minutes or until tender. I'm gonna add some salt and whole black pepper until the pig skin tender, and don't overcook it. Once the pig skin is tender, drain it. And cut the pig skin into strips like this. Prepare the ingredients by cutting all the spices needed. Well, you can find the exact measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. Please check it. What are the ingredients needed? Pig skin, spring onion, onions, ginger, mixed vinegar and lime juice, salt and pepper, and chillies. And let's start the procedure. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add the mixed vinegar and lime. Add salt, add the black pepper, and mix properly to dissolve the salt. Then I will add the onions and the ginger and combine all the ingredients. And then this time, I'm gonna pour the pig skin and mix well for proper combination of all the spices. Mix it properly. And after mixing everything, make sure to rest it for 15 to 30 minutes to absorb well all the ingredients inside the skin. And I'm gonna transfer it into the serving bowl. Once everything is transferred into the serving bowl, I'm gonna add the spring onions, and then the remaining half of the onion that I cut just now. By the way, the pig skin is also a very good source of collagen. People love to use this or to eat it as pollutant. And then you can add some chilies so you can control how much spiciness level you want. Chilies are actually optional. And there you go, it's ready to serve, share, and enjoy. And this is very good for pollutant as well. This is just a pure skin, there's no fat in it. I scrape all the fats. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. See you!